go for Swifty.
Wait for me! I have to this!
I literally haven't hit one bottle.
This game is
Thinking about the great thing you said yesterday.
Literally.
because you only did it.
To get back at us!
Yeah, right! Yeah, right! Yeah, right!
You know what? I don't think I want to be on this date anymore.
On. And now. No.